How to use DeepSeek on mobile. You can use DeepSeek on mobile by downloading the official DeepSeek AI Assistant app from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm using an Android, so I'm going to open up my App Store, Play Store, and on the search bar, I'm going to type in DeepSeek. After which, you want to make sure to go ahead and click on the open button and install DeepSeek on your device. After you've installed DeepSeek on your mobile, what you need is you simply want to go ahead and create your account. In my case, I already have an account, and due to some security concern, the interface might not appear. So basically, what I'm going to do is just instruct. So for creating your account, you want to click on the sign up button, provide in the email or a phone number that you want to register, then create a password. And for the confirmation, you have to type in your password twice, after which you will be asked to enter in the code that is going to be sent to your registered email. And once you receive the code, you type in that, click on the sign up button, and then you want to agree to the terms and condition. And with that being said, you'll have successfully created your account. Now, if you want to use DeepSeek on mobile, you just need to, or you'll be taken to this field, right? So what you want to do is, here you have message DeepSeek. You want to tap that out. You'll be able to see the keyboard display. You want to type in the prompt, what you actually want to use or why you actually want to use DeepSeek for. And you just want to go ahead and send it. And this way you'll be able to receive information as well. Next, if you want to upload any sort of documents or file, you click on the plus button at the bottom right. Go ahead and upload that. In this way as well, you could use DeepSeek on mobile. So these are some of the basic features that you could use DeepSeek on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.